Memecoin is back at 91,000 US dollars. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. I was holding up very, very well, and it's respecting a trend line. That trend line there, and it just looks like it's about to go parabolic. I'm going to be honest. Doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon, and altcoins actually doing very well as well. This is on the 3 hour time frame, and it's still pushing upwards. It has gone parabolic. It is flying. And we may be closer towards the end than a lot of people think, because when Bitcoin moves, it moves very fast. The majority of the time it's moving either sideways, like so, or it's moving downwards. Usually when it moves upwards, it's very quick, very fast, and yeah, it moves very quickly. A lot of people are thinking this is a hyperwave as well. So it's going to move very quickly to the upside. It may even hit like 120, 150k, and then it's going to crash hard. Once it crashes, we won't see another. We won't see a double top. It'll only be one top, and that'll be it. Gone. This is the main thing, though. We're not here for Bitcoin. We're here for the total crypto market cap, which is breaking out. It's at 3 trillion, looking green, which is beautiful. And altcoins right now, this is what we want. We want altcoin season. It's at 39. It's holding up okay. The main dogs like Brett, Pepe, things like that are doing well. But I wouldn't invest in Pepe and things because they've had their Coinbase listing. The last major meme coin that is potentially worthwhile investing in is Brett. But you need to look at some other things which are going to pump, such as like Omikami, which is at 17 million market cap. It's actually hit that again. Are we still in greed? Yeah, still extreme greed. We could be here for a while. We might see extreme fear flash before our eyes, which could be a buying opportunity. Either that or we're going down like crazy. This market is unpredictable. I didn't think we'd be holding 91k, and I didn't think we'd get here this quick. Nobody did. And if they're telling you they did, they're lying, because it's just a prediction and nobody actually knows where the market's going to go. Because it could even be a black swan event that crashes everything. Who knows? Trump to eliminate all capital gains taxes on cryptocurrency issued by US companies. This can't be real life, and XRP has been revived. XRP is actually pumping like crazy because of this, because it's a US regulated cryptocurrency. Even then though, you're still a loser for holding this, because this has been consolidating for how many years, and you've actually gotten a real breakout now. Think about how many opportunities you've missed, and it still hasn't hit all-time highs yet at $2. Break in Pennsylvania proposes allocating 10% of his 7 billion reserve into Bitcoin. People are liking Bitcoin. It's crazy. Hate to break it to the sideliners, but BTC dips this cycle are not the same as the past. Most of the money is mega whales and institutions that buy and hold long term, not retail or traders that get shaken out every 3% dip. It's possible that we keep climbing. There's no BTC left. There's genuinely no supply left. Money isn't made in the trading, it's made in the waiting. It is, if you've got a good project. If not, you might get smoked. Hate to break it to the sideliners, but BTC dips this cycle are not the same. Like we mentioned before, lawsuit against Elon Musk for rigging Doge was dropped as investors dropped their appeal and legal motions. Send Doge to $1. He always pumps Doge, you know. It's crazy. Breaking US debt hit 36 trillion. Bitcoin is literally the only solution. What's your other option? I read a tweet earlier as well. What is the other option? It's absolutely mental. You need everything: real estate, Bitcoin. You need absolutely everything. You need loads of money to actually hedge against inflation. Gold, gold in real life, watches. If Trump is actually able to pass 0% tax on crypto, we are going to the moon and beyond and never coming back down. The floodgates will have opened and there's no turning back, and he's actually done it. I looked at all the outperforming coins and found one common trait. They're all not in my bags, facts. But don't chase the pumps. I'm trying to hold myself back from chasing the pumps, because yours will pump depending on if it's a good project and you've done your research and you've done your due diligence. Don't just chase the pumps, so you're going to lose a lot of money. F crypto, I'm done. Imagine losing 9 mil. Don't be that guy, man. A lot of people lose money, whether it's due to scammers, tax evasion, all this. Make sure you've got it all down. This is the time, put everything aside and focus. The bull run won't last forever, but every distraction, entertainment, women, parties, alcohol, drugs, they will be there when it's over. Don't waste this moment. Brett's going to go up. Brett's gonna go up 16.780. I think it's literally at that price right now. There is an intergalactic sledgehammer of liquidity that will soon hit your beloved coins. Brace yourself. Altcoin market cap, raise your hand if you can handle the pump incoming. Please tell me we're going up. Please tell me we're going up. This is others. Please tell me we're going to see that. That would be crazy, bro. That would be crazy for the altcoins. This is a staggering chart. AI and memes are soaking up half the mind share in the crypto space. I've repeatedly since 2023 that I view all AI projects as memes. So really we have memes and memes that are AI flavored. It's all memes, bro. Memes are making the money. Litecoin is also a meme now. Look at what Casper did to Litecoin. That's mad. They're under the meme coin section, Litecoin. Damn. Base season 2.0. If a coin dumps 80% and still survives, you need to hold that for life. Don't hold nothing for life. Don't. Never hold anything for life. You're here to make money. Bitcoin will crash. Maybe not 80% like previously, but it will crash. You need to stop buying high cap meme coins. They won't make you rich. 2 to 5x at best, and you exit liquidity for someone else. The real money is below 200 mil market cap project, solid enough that it won't rug, still low enough to make generational wealth. Get in early or don't bother at all. If you know, you know. If you're going to come in this market with a risk, at least do it right. There's no point half-assing it and making minimal gains and maybe even being exit liquidity, because you might as well just donate your money to charity. You need to know what you're doing, man. The majority will fail. Even these a lot of these influencers, they'll fail. Current sentiment when someone mentions taking a bit of profit, I would think about taking profits on risk assets you hold if you haven't already. There's a non-zero chance of a yen carry unwind deja vu in the coming week. Look, pal, shut the F up. People are taking profits, man. Peanut is freedom, the dodge of this cycle. 2 billion. Damn, man, what a meme. It's flown. This guy's thinking Ethereum's going to go up. Laffy's thinking Ethereum is going up, and so do I. I've got a few trades open on Ethereum, actually. My new upward wave target, 3600 and 3800. This will revive the currencies in an excellent way. This will kick off altcoin season, then a beautiful corrective decline and fluctuation, and then continuation of the rise. To what, though? About 3200. The explosions are coming. Damn, bro. It's a full moon right now, and usually on full moons we pump. Oh, you wanted a bigger Bitcoin dip? F you. Breaking Coinbase list Floki. I think Floki should then be pumping. They're listing every meme coin, you know. Yeah, it's flying. They're kickstarting meme coin season. Ethereum will explode soon. POV you held. This has got to be you, man. Has to be all of us. There's no alt season, little bro. It's a meme world now. Meme coin super cycle. Facts! Happening 1 million Bitcoin strategic reserve. They're trying to pass it via Congress. Total 3 is broken out. However, Total 3 BTC has not. For an actual alt season where assets outperform BTC, we need them both going north in a trend alongside BTC aggressively going down. We are not there yet. We're still going down. This is the support zone. May still have a few months. I just hope it's quicker rather than later, because we're less likely to have an altcoin season the longer it plays out, because there's a risk of a recession. XRP hit $1. That's mental, bro. Look at that pump. Who buys XRP? Bitcoin retail interest is skyrocketing. Now this is worrying. This is very, very, very worrying. Be careful. Ethereum target 3700. Bullish flag. 3700 bull flag on 4 hour trade set. Alright, if Ethereum's going up, that means Ethereum meme coins are going up, which means Omikami might be getting a bit of juice from Ethereum, you know. Is it time to swap over, or do I hold my ETH? Do I wait for it to pump and then buy, or do I just negate the risk and just buy in? Tough decision, man. Very, very tough decision. To create real wealth with meme coins, you don't need to gamble 100 projects. Don't gamble. Do your research. You need to look for new coins daily. You don't even need to be smart. Just need to be strategic. It's simple. Pick a solid project below 200 mil market cap and have conviction. One that's building a real brand. One that's building a cult community. One that's creating a movement, not just a moment. Look for survives, 30% corrections easily. Easily understood by retail enticement. A belief in hitting 5 billion market cap. This isn't about chasing hype. It's about picking a multi-chain coin. One that thrives beyond this bull run. That's how you turn a meme into generational wealth. Thank me later. And you're telling me this is below 200 mil. It's got a perfect website. It's got a perfect chart. You're just not seeing the green candles. And once everyone sees the green candles, they're going to come flying at Omikami. That's why I've made sure I've got a little bit already. I'm not going to lie. Brett is pumping harder than Floki the day it got a Coinbase list. That is a joke, bro. That is genuinely a joke. Brett, the baddest meme coin on base, is pumping harder than Floki. We got a Coinbase listing. What's going to happen when Brett gets a Coinbase listing? They want everyone to buy Brett. Bitcoin top is far from over. Look at the charts. Yeah, we've still got a little while to go. The last little pump. Bitcoin bears right now. Ethereum hasn't even broken all-time high. It's only at 3,100. We are still not even at the meat of the operation. This isn't even the appetizer. This is wiping your hands with fancy towels before we can even be served. Brett will pump harder than you could have imagined when Ethereum runs past all-time highs. And he's been right all along, you know. It's right all along. It's abundantly clear that Brett is the Shiba Inu of this cycle. We go much higher from here. Ethereum hasn't even broken out. We're about to witness crazy pumps in the base ecosystem after Brett pumped like crazy yesterday. Buckle up. Look at this. Andy's pumping. Landwolf's pumping. If we get them up on my screen, on Deck Screener, and we actually look at the ones that I'm looking at, because I'm looking at, I don't want to be completely degenerate, but I was looking at these before. So I was looking at Toshi, which is pumping 134 million market cap. You needed to buy on a pullback there, which I did. I bought a little bit. I wouldn't risk a lot, you know, on these. These could easily go to zero. This is a 1.9 million market cap Landwolf. Seems like it's in an uptrend, but I don't like what it's doing here. It still needs to go up a little bit. Carry on going up, G. What are you doing? I know it's pumped a lot today, but I want to see more pumping from you. And Andy has flown today. It's 100% today. Wow. Bitcoin exchange reserves hit an all-time low. There's no Bitcoin left. What's going to happen? It's just going to fly. That's why people are actually willing to invest into Bitcoin at all-time highs for the long term. It's crazy. I don't know what's going to happen with it after. I still think it'll go down and we'll get a bear market, but I don't know how bad the bear market will be in terms of Bitcoin. Altcoins are going to get smashed. I know that for a fact. I'm not selling a single token until BTC profitability index rises above 300%. BTC coin days destroyed spikes above 300 million. Or to make it simple, I'm not selling a single token until BTC dominance drops to 30%. Ethereum does at least 2x. Sol pushes a 4x. These are the metrics I follow and they've never let me down. For now, I'm waiting, not trading, not panicking, not doubting, just waiting. This is how you stay ahead while the rest get shaken out. Profitability index. BTC profitability index. You need to adapt, don't you? So if we get the profitability index, bro, I don't want to see no thingy. Mining profitability index. What about on the images? The Bitcoin average probability index is a indicator that shows the relationship between swap price and the realized price of Bitcoin. When the index is high, it means that the spot price is double the realized price. Historically, when the indexes reach extreme levels, Bitcoins is seen a top. So if we look at the profitability index right here, yeah, it hasn't topped out yet. Yeah, we've still got time. Then what's the other one? Bitcoin days destroyed. Bitcoin days destroyed. Glassnode Studio. Coin days destroyed. What does that even mean? Oh, here we go. It's going to load up the chart. Coindays destroyed. This, yes, here we go. So it needs to top out here. Around there. Yes, we've got a little bit of time. Takes the number of coins that have moved on chain at a particular time and multiplies that value by the number of days since those coins were last moved. So it's on about like how many people are moving money between wallets basically. I'm going to leave them up, you know. We'll carry on having a little look at them at some point. Omikami is the shib of this cycle. Fact. When to buy and sell crypto. Buy when global liquidity is low. Sell when it's high. That's just fact. So Ethereum, he's still thinking that's going to go up. Bitcoin at 91k and funding rates remain flat across the board. No one even cares, bro. That's the crazy thing. We could go so much higher. I don't think it's going to be a long time, but I think we may pump hard. Retail FOMO hasn't started. It's nowhere near the levels of March 2021. I'm expecting max FOMO hysteria by Christmas. That sounds genuinely. That sounds realistic. It's going to happen quick. Locking myself in my house for 6 months. Super cycle is here. Nothing else matters now. Facts, bro. Cass is forming higher highs on the bottom of the rainbow chart. Extremely bullish sign. What is Casper actually saying? If we look at Casper, yeah, it looks like it wants to go. It looks like something's preventing it from wanting to go. Memes are here. Certain memes are here. I think we're more here, where it does the max pump and then we fall off. What the actual XRP pump is unstoppable. That's what we're going to end it on. XRP's pumping. That's when you know you're in a bull run, but that's when you need to be scared. You need to be cautious. You can't just be popping up trades easily because we're in a very risky environment where a lot of things have pumped. You need to be very careful what you get into. I can't tell you what to buy. I can just give you the information and you need to decide on what you want to get and if you want to indulge in this market, because even then it's a scammer's game and the majority lose money. Let's be honest. Be careful out there, man. Genuinely, because the majority of you, 99% of you, gonna lose money.